This is the one we're gonna open. Are you ready for this?
Is it marshmallows?
No, what was your other guess?
Mailboxes?
Mailboxes, no. All right, friends, got this. And we're gonna open up this very exciting box.
What is it, marshmallows? Is it a...
How do we open this thing? It's kind of heavy and big.
Marquitos?
Definitely not. M-A.
Marquitos.
What are Marquitos?
Pokemon cards?
Nope. Okay. Do you know what that is?
Mac. Wait, there's 3 Macs?
It's the new iMac.
Wait,
Oh.
three
Look.
iMacs.
Ah! It's the yellow one.
3 iMacs?
3 iMacs.
Really, 3?
3.
One for
Look.
you, one for me, and one for Dada.
Maybe, yeah.
Yay!
Look at how beautiful this is.
Let's open the next one.
It's gorgeous.
Can we open the box?
Yeah.
Actual box?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
All right, I'm gonna have to put this on the table.
Okay. Bye, guys. Hope you and this is
Woo!
my YouTube channel. I was ever see the new iMac. Dun, 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 dun.
Meanwhile, they're checking out what happened in the backyard. Okay. We gotta set up shop over here. Move some rainbow stuff. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Exciting. Look at how beautiful this is.
Hello.
It says hello, that's all. Okay, so look, the arrows.
Oh, that's
Okay, yeah, I'll grab that. So the arrows indicate that you pull it this way and that way. You excited? You guys. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Could I?
It's beautiful.
Could I do my zoom on the new iMac instead?
Yeah.
Yay! Are all of them yellow?
No. Okay.
Dun 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 dun.
Wow. That's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Look.
Can we take this thing off?
Yeah.
Color thing off. Dun.
Good job.
This looks gold.
It does look gold.
And there's another hello.
There's more stickers to peel. This is
I
fantastic.
need to get on the table.
Well, I can move it. This is why I chose yellow. We love yellow. Wow, that's so satisfying to open. Okay, so it looks like this needs to go in here. Can you plug that in? There you go. Good job. so beautiful. But we have to wait until after dinner to hook it up. Sleeping. Jack is gonna help me open the other 2 iMacs. Ready?
Yeah. I can't wait to see what they look like.
Me too. I'm so excited to see what they look like. This is the orange one.
That's the pink one.
What did you think? Do you love the colors of the new iMac? I do, and I am so excited about bringing one of them into the studio. Let me know which color you think I should take there. I love the pink. I think the orange is probably my second favorite, and the yellow is my top choice. It looks like gold, and it looks just so beautiful and makes me so happy to see all the colors together. Jack's excited to do some of his zooms on here. I'm using the actual camera, the HD camera on the front of the iMac here, and the picture is so crisp. I was actually on a Zoom the other day and I was so clear and vibrant, especially compared to the other people on it. And I can't wait to be sharing more videos with you all in our new home. I want to do a home tour for you so that you can see all the different rooms. You can kind of see the bar back there in that corner. And I am just, so grateful for all of you watching this video, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are getting a new iMac, let me know below what color you're getting, or if you aren't getting one, what color you love the best. All right. Thanks, friends. It's always wonderful to read all your comments and see all your feedback. So let me know, and I will be back with another video very soon. Hope you feel inspired to keep those creative juices flowing.